everyone! Today, I'll show you how to add a custom QR code to a thank you card in Canva. Start by searching for thank you card in Canva. Choose a template and click Customize this template. Remove any unwanted elements and add personalized text to your design. Next, go to the Apps tab and search for the QR code generator. Enter your website URL. Customize the QR code's color to match your design. And click Generate Code. Resize and reposition the QR code to fit seamlessly into your layout. Once everything looks polished, download your design as a PDF or image. If this helped, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more Canva tips. Happy designing!